If you're wondering how to buy shares of Advanced Micro Devices Inc., here's a concise walkthrough. AMD is a semiconductor company that designs CPUs and GPUs and is listed on NASDAQ under the ticker AMD. This is educational content only and not financial advice. Always research and understand the risks before investing. To trade, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker AMD to locate the company listing. Select the result that matches Advanced Micro Devices Inc. to open the official stock page. On the stock page, you will find basic company information and a live price chart for AMD. Double-check the company name, NASDAQ market, and ticker AMD to confirm you have the correct asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, review order details such as order type and estimated cost, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it and set alerts. For convenience, I've included a link to eToro in the description.